Welcome back to the Learn the 48 Step Tai Chi form videos. Right then, where did we get to? We've done our cloud hands and we finished holding the ball on the left. Present your left arm, right hand on the elbow, step back with your left leg, wipe across, make a fist with your right hand, pull down so you can pull your right leg in, and you're hiding the right forearm, the same as what you would do for deflect parry punch. But this time it's a lot simpler. Move the left forearm out the way, step back on exactly the same line you just stepped back from, and just punch over the top. So to get in, you pulled in. To get back out, you punch across. That's it. Open the right hand, left hand on the right elbow, wipe across, pull down and step in, same as we've done. Fingertips on the heel of the hand. Step out and bend the left knee to push. Now then, we're going to do weave with shuttles, but in a slightly different way than in the 24. So push, once we finish pushing, we step in. And then we lift this up and we push all the way around to the left by turning our waist. Then we turn the waist all the way around to the right. And then we kind of bring this down on a pivot and we start to move into the weave with shuttles. So we step out on the left. That was 12, we're going to go to about 10. Then we rotate that left hand and bend the left knee. And I'm looking under here the way I normally would. I present, I wipe, I pull down and step in, step out and push, step in left to right this time, push all the way around to the right, all the way around to the left, I pivot as I turn around there, and I step, and I go into my weave with shuttles there. And I present my right forearm, the left hand comes back and down, I step back with the right foot, the left hand slides up the right forearm and the hands stay on top of each other, but then I move the right one out the way, I turn the left palm up and I turn around on that left heel and my hands are now out like this. I bring them up and over and I've come up on my right toes so I can rotate that leg, and when I come down I've now got one hand either side of my right thigh, and I think that's where we'll end this little section because the last bit really is pretty much the last bit. So, where did we get to? So yeah, we had the ball on the left because we'd finished cloud hands, didn't we? Present and wipe as I step back. This becomes the hidey arm because I make a fist there and I pull in, step out, step back on the same line, punch over the top, open, wipe, down and in, step out and push, step in and keep pushing to the left, then all the way to the right, weave with shuttles on the left, present, wipe, down and pull in, step out and push, step in, push all the way around to the right, all the way around to the left. Remember, these are waist rotations. Your arms aren't really moving, it's your waist. Then step out, pivot to weave with shuttles to the right, present that arm, present that forearm, come around, step back, slide up, pull, bring the arms around and pull that leg in. It's not as difficult as it looks. It's not as easy, but it's not as difficult as it looks, not once you have a go.